What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This your girl Lady V TV, dropping another studio vlog video. And in this video we're gonna be doing some freebie bags and pre-doing our little bags that we have our thank you cards in. And I think that's about it. So it's kind of like the behind the scenes, getting stuff prepped to so when we ship off orders, it's a lot easier. So that's what we're going to get into. I may talk in this video, I may not, but we're going to get things done behind the scenes. So you're going to see me get everything prepared to do these bags, and that would be the next clip. Alright guys, so I got everything set up, and basically I'm going to put one of each little thing in here. I try to match it or whatever, so I'm gonna do a couple of them, you know, me talking through it, and then I will cut like music on or something to finish it up, because it's gonna take a little minute to do these bags. But this is basically how it will look. So this just a little free gift for purchasing from me. So that's what it will look like, and I'm gonna add a couple of clips. Add a couple of clips. I know a lot of people do candy, but it's too hot to do candy, I think. So this is one of the little freebie bags. And so I'm going to do a bunch of these just to have them. And then, like, that's it. So I'm going to do another color. Alright, let's do... And like I said, I tried to match. My phone always go off, but it's not gonna stop me from recording, y'all. I just have to lighten it up in the video, but it be trying to stop me, y'all, but it ain't. It is definitely not gonna stop me from recording. So let's do this one. So I hope y'all can see this. And do a little lotion. Over here. A little lotion. And we'll do some hair clips. Put a little green one and a little white one. So this is another one. So I'm just gonna continue to keep doing them, and I'm gonna play music so y'all can just watch me do these bags. And we just about to finish these up, and then in the next clip I will show y'all how I pre-package like my little thank you cards or whatever. So that will be in this video too. So y'all just sit back and relax, get you some tea or some coffee or something, and just watch me pre-make our freebie bags.
I feel like I'm not where I'm supposed to be, trying to fulfill all of my broken dreams. The struggle's real, but I got fight in me. Hey, so it's best I only do what's right for me. Life is crazy, I'm surrounded by these haters. I'm just motivated, keep pushing until I make it. Ooh,
Life is crazy, they do whatever to make it. The money can make or break you. The people, they really faking. Ooh, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Cause I'm on a mission, I got to get it. Down for the challenge, my city, they with me. I can be stressed, so I break down the switcher. Turn up the bottle and press through ignition. I can do better, I told him it's coming. How can you talk if you don't know my struggle? I never trip, so I won't fall a victim. Life is so short, when I'm gone, will you miss me? This can be much, but I do it with ease. Trusting myself and I conquer my dreams. Pick up my slack, keep my eye on the prize. Real as it get, I got nothing to hide. Keep guiding my plans and it show me the way. Wishing I fight until I see the day. The life that I live is a must I replace. At the top, I always stand at the end of the race. Yeah.
I feel like I'm not where I'm supposed to be. Trying to fulfill all of my broken dreams. The struggle's real, but I got fight in me. Hey, so it's best I only do what's right for me. Life is crazy, I'm surrounded by these haters. I'm just motivated, keep pushing until I make it. Ooh,
feel like she came and spoke to me. Said just be thankful, not angry, this where you supposed to be. I said you must be crazy, it can't be, don't wish this over me. Feel like my enemies are kin to me or close to me. It's a fork in the road, should I stay, should I go? Got decisions to make, I'ma take the control. See, I won't play a role and that's just how I roll. So it's best that you know if I go, I ain't coming back. Cause the hatred and faking and greed and the jealousy help me, I'm done with that.
Man, I'm done with that.
Hey, but let me step back like a quarterback. Step back. Cause they take what I say and then run with that just like a running back. Oh my gosh, it's a bunch of that. On a mission to get it for me and my people. And some of it ain't legal. That's a risk that I take. It's a trip I might make in a police vehicle. Hey,
I feel like I'm not where I'm supposed to be. Trying to fulfill all of my broken dreams. The struggle's real, but I got fight in me. Hey, so it's best I only do what's right for me. Life is crazy, I'm surrounded by these haters. I'm just motivated, keep pushing until I make it. Ooh,
sorry that my light has went off, but these are the little freebie bags that I do. And so now we're going to put them where they belong, which is in this drawer right here. I'm sorry y'all see my reflection, but we're gonna put them all in here. So they all are in here. So this drawer is full up with freebies, and I think I'm just going to end the video and have a part 2 of me doing the bag for the press-ons and the bag that has the thank you card and sticker and stuff in it. So we're trying to get this content out, so we're going to break them into parts. So that would be part 2, and then part 3 will be me actually putting the labels on my purses before they go out. So we're doing a lot of behind the scenes prep work for the business to just stay ahead. And so these are our freebie bags. Until my next video, guys. Bye.